welcome to my Mexico vlogs. Hey y'all, it's the next day now. We're gonna go get breakfast, but don't worry, today I brought a top to wear so we can actually get in and we'll get denied entry. I honestly have no idea what we're doing today. I think we're just gonna chill by the water again. Maybe I'll take a nap, read my book. I didn't bring a top, so now I have to wrap this towel around me for dress code purposes. So hot right now. I just got Jay to like lather me in sunscreen so that I don't burn. And then we want to go walk by the beach where there's no shade. So I'm actually not gonna do that because I don't want to burn anymore. Opening. We're on level 1? Yeah. Level 1. Yeah, middle elevator. We spent a good couple hours in the pool. Right now it's 5 o'clock. I've been here since like 11. I'm literally about to turn into a raven. And now we're gonna go check out the beach. We're at the beach. Y'all look, somebody came in and cleaned a room that left chocolate covered strawberries and champagne. You know what, like thank you Jay, because we're using Jay's Expedia account for this and we're getting all the perks. Also, another thing is that apparently ginger ale or Canada Dry, whatever you guys call it, is exclusive, which is so crazy because I'm like, I can literally go back to Canada and buy this at Shoppers. So maybe they taste a little different. Oh yeah, this was made in Mexico. It tastes the same. Okay, literally no time to waste. We're meeting up for dinner in like an hour and I still look like this. So I'm gonna start doing my hair and I'll see y'all when I'm done. Dinner night fit of the day. I'm so burnt right now, I can't move.
Hola. ¿Cómo están? My name is Arturo. Tonight, I'm the cooking for you. Fire in the house.
Dinner. I think we're just gonna like walk around the resort, check out some stores, maybe go to a gift shop, and then call it a night. I don't think you can hear me. You know what? Never mind. Y'all, we're literally at the hotel's tennis court in the middle of the night. We brought the entire family here, but this court is outside, so it's dark. Wait, I got it! I got it! I got it! Thank you. Hey y'all, right now it's like 7 a.m. We literally woke up to do like a sunrise yoga, but before we do, we're gonna go reserve some beach chairs. Yeah, we're meeting up with Jay, but the sun's already up. Bird and sand. Come whenever if you want. For now, I know you want it now. Every day you want a coffee and make us with it. Nothing you will find better to do. They're making us two icebreakers at 7 a.m. And coffee, of course. You will realize you love it so much. Here's bacon, 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 and coffee, coffee, la da da. Here's bacon, bacon, bacon. You will realize you love it so much. Right now it's 8:35. We just finished. I think we're gonna go pick up a little snack at the buffet. Heel bacon, let's come right on time. You're gonna miss it, the flavor and scent. Come whenever if you want. For now. Hey y'all, we just finished eating. We're going back to the hotel room now to change into our tennis outfit. I don't know if you can see, but it's raining right now. It's like pouring. So I don't know if we'll be having a pool day. Soon enough you wanna bacon and coffee, of course. You will realize you love it so much. Good job, Ken, good job! You know what, who do we think you're gonna slip? We're not even running. I love it so. And I know you feel the same. That is Owen. It behind. Every day you want a coffee and make us with it. Nothing you will find better. Wait, you have to take the floor. I have to take the floor. Heel bacon, let's come right on time. You're gonna miss it, the flavor and scent. Come whenever if you want. For now, I know you want it now. Every day you want a coffee and make us with it. Nothing you will find better to get along. Soon enough you want a bacon and coffee, of course. Our last full day, we are going to the beach now. This is my fifth. I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling really gross right now. We woke up, did yoga, ate, went to go play tennis. It was like raining a bit and then I was also sweating. So I feel really icky. I'm really hoping the sun comes out because it's been raining all morning. We even woke up early this morning to go reserve some beach chairs, but I'm pretty sure all the towels are wet now. Okay. Hey y'all, we are going to the lazy river now. Also, somebody stole our chairs, so I'm sure that we reserved, which I guess makes sense. Hey y'all, right now it's like 5-ish. Dinner is early tonight. We're having dinner at 6, so I already washed my hair. It's actually our last night here, so I'm actually hoping we would, you know, stay up a little bit longer. But the thing I'm dreading the most right now is literally doing my hair. Like my scalp is so sunburnt and my chest is so sunburnt that like anytime I move or even like stretch my skin, I'm in so much pain. And I just know that me having to do my hair in the heat is gonna make me so overstimulated. But I don't want to have to hair for dinner. Let's speed run this.
Nothing you will find better to get along. Soon enough you wanna bake up.
My dinner fit. I'm wearing my Skims. Do I look like Kim Kardashian? I'm actually so sleepy. I literally took a nap while I was doing her hair. But dinner's so early. Like the sun is not even down yet. How does it feel to be in the same elevator as Kim Kardashian? Actually, I can though. Where? A bunch of photos. Right now it's 6:12 and now we're gonna go for dinner.
I wonder what for dinner thing.
Yeah, me too. Hey y'all, right now it's 9 o'clock. We're actually leaving today. So A and I woke up a little bit early to get a little pool time because we gotta check out.
Bailamos cumbia y salsa al ritmo de nuestro corazón. Con mariachis y tequila celebramos día tras día. Es nuestra cultura vibrante, llena de melodía. Vamos a las fiestas con nuestra ropa tradicional, el sombrero y el zarape, nuestro estilo nacional.
Hey y'all, right now it's like 11:20. I'm heading back to the room first to wash my hair, shower, and do all that stuff. We're checking out at 12, so this trip is coming to an end. Our bus to the airport doesn't leave until 2:50. We have like 3 hours, so I think just to walk around and chill.
En México hay alegría, mucho color y pasión. Bailamos cumbia y salsa al ritmo de nuestro corazón. Con mariachis y tequila celebramos día tras día.